It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Destructive behavior in dogs. What should I do? Dogs are known to sometimes engage in destructive behaviors, such as chewing shoes, scratching pillows, rummaging through the trash, digging up plants, or stealing a sock from your laundry. There are ways to treat and prevent destructive behaviors, but you must first determine what triggers these tendencies. 1. What is destructive behavior in dogs? The range of destructive behaviors includes any habit that destroys or damages items in the home. While infuriating, these behaviors are often a common expression of boredom or loneliness. Other times, they may mean your dog is experiencing a behavioral problem, such as separation anxiety, phobias, or obsessive tendencies. 2. Types of destructive behavior in dogs. These unwanted behaviors can be categorized into 3 groups, depending on severity and underlying causes. Normal, or mildly destructive behaviors. These actions may be destructive, but they are in line with the expected development or tendencies of the dog based on its breed and age. For example, most puppies are prone to biting. Uncontrollable destructive behaviors. In this category, the actions are especially harmful, but are somewhat expected based on the dog's breed or other factors. Abnormal and clinically significant destructive behaviors. Some destructive behaviors are indicative of deep-rooted emotional problems or mental health disorders, such as obsessive-compulsive disorder. 3. Signs of destructive behavior in dogs. Destructive tendencies can manifest themselves in many ways. Some of the most common signs include digging, chewing, scratching, looting, theft. 4. What causes destructive behavior in dogs? Destructive behaviors are often a natural canine response to boredom or loneliness, but they can also be a manifestation of anxiety, fear, phobia, or other emotional issues. Identifying the underlying motivations for your dog's destructive behavior is critical because it allows for a more targeted approach to treatment and prevention. Possible causes of destructive behavior vary widely in severity and may include boredom or loneliness. Dogs are social animals by nature. Without companionship and stimulation, some dogs are prone to developing emotional or behavioral problems, which can lead them to engage in destructive behaviors. Some breeds have more intense attachment styles and are more likely to act out when bored or alone, including Dalmatians, Terriers, and Irish Setters. Separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a more severe expression of boredom and loneliness that amounts to a diagnosable mental health issue. Signs that a dog is suffering from separation anxiety include exhibiting anxious or destructive behaviors when left home alone, such as destroying property, urinating or defecating in the house, self-mutilation, excessive licking, and high-pitched, persistent barking or whining. Other mental health issues. Generalized anxiety, fear, or phobias and other mental health issues can also make your dog more likely to engage in destructive behaviors. For example, a dog with a noise phobia may become destructive during a thunderstorm or fireworks. How to treat destructive behavior in dogs. Treatment usually involves instituting a new training strategy and modifying daily routines to change the conditions that encourage the unwanted behavior. Dogs who display destructive behavior when unsupervised, often due to boredom, loneliness, or separation anxiety, can be gradually coaxed into enjoying more alone time by giving them access to toys and other sources of stimulation. Giving your dog access to more exercise and playtime with you or other dogs can also help decrease the chances of destructive behavior. Your veterinarian may also recommend medications to reduce anxiety or other emotional issues in more problematic cases. When you have to leave your dog unsupervised, try to do so discreetly and refrain from giving cues about your departure. For example, if your dog associates the jingling of keys with being left alone, you can make the same noise and not leave the house. Punishment should be avoided altogether. The only way punishment is effective is if the reprimand is delivered directly after or during the behavior you are trying to prevent. Otherwise, your dog won't know what actions lead to the punishment. Increase exercise and socialization. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.